What it do, YouTube? It's your boy E Bless over here, E Bless Custom Bill, and yeah, got a package just came in the mail, and I think I know what it is. I think it's my new paint gun. It's the sprayit 33,000. No, I didn't say 100. I said 33,000. It's a low volume, low pressure air gun for, good for spraying. Good for spraying. Good for spraying with the smaller air tanks, smaller compressors, or whatever you want to call it. So, it's the kind of hard to do shit with one hand, but there we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See what's going on, man. I got about three or four guns now. And I'm gonna be able to test all of them out, see how they work, and hey, you can never have more than one gun anyway, So yeah, here you go. Here go the setup. Got the cleaning brushes, the breakdown tools. Okay. Because with breakdown tool, instruction manual, SP sprayit 33,000. Gravity feed, low volume, low pressure spray gun. Bro, y'all just don't know. It what I really been waiting on, cause I don't see people spray with these, and for me, on the outside looking in, I think these are pretty good guns, man. And I definitely think, and even though I sprayed with the HP gun, you know what I'm saying, and they did damn good, so I think we're gonna be alright though. I really do. About to go down. The weekend. Some pieces again sprayed on the car. Updates and new parts are on the way. The motor build still on the way. I got my partner. You know what I'm saying? Got my Spanish partner to build me a transmission for the LS. So hey, man, I can't complain, man. I don't have no damn time with this one hand. There you go. Yes, sir. Here you go. Let me make sure. And go, I got it from though. Got it from Walmart. Let me make sure they're the right gun though. You know what I mean? Make sure Walmart ain't gave me some bull. I gotta go research this, y'all, and all 500. Yeah, I gotta go read, cause I feel like it ain't got nothing to say that it's the SP 33. I don't even see nothing on the weather. That's how I took this supposed to have. I don't know. Something don't look right. I think they don't got me like the African be doing at the flea market with the shoes, ain't they? I don't know, man, but I'm finna I think this it though. But I'm finna go on YouTube, check some junk out. But yeah, man, just want y'all to see the new paint gun, man. Yeah. Yeah, gotta adjust everything. So stay tuned for me to spray it with the new 33,000 sprayit low volume, low pressure gun, man. Good trigger. Yeah, man. But we gonna see how she do. Until then, man, I'll catch y'all next time, man. This your boy E-Bled, man. E-Bled Custom Build, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll be right back with another video, man. One.